Hi everyone, welcome back on my channel Nutan Online Study. So today in this video we are going to see how to make lesson plan on the topic Midas and the Golden Touch. This is English lesson plan. You can see how to make this lesson plan, and I have many lesson plan on every topic, like every subjects, maths, English, computer, history, everything. So you can check that on my channel, or else you can just check the description box. Okay, so here you can see how we have to make this previous knowledge. Here you can see, and I have another YouTube channel named Lesson Plan Corner. You can check my videos over there also if you need the video in English, so you can watch that over there. Here you can see general aim, how we have to like write whatever our aim is, whatever our motive is behind teaching this topic. We have to write all those things here. Specific objectives, you can see means we have to write what our aims are, whatever means what we want to teach to students. We have to basically write all those things here. For teaching aids, we have to write whatever teaching aids we are going to use while we are teaching to students. Now you can see here, this is introduction part. So this is a story on the Midas. Midas was a king. Okay, so we can start like do you like to listen stories? Do you know, or means do you like to listen stories? Then student will answer yes. Then we have to ask, we can ask like, tell me one story, like in very brief. Then they will try to answer. Then we can ask, have you heard a story Midas and the Golden Touch? Student will answer no. After that we have to ask, it is moral story, so do you like to moral story? Do you want to listen it? Then student will answer yes. Then we have to give out statement of our aim. Okay, like this you can see, or else you can just skip this one if you want. Here you can see objectives and specification: to arouse previous knowledge, to check previous knowledge, to check attention, to check past experience with present knowledge. Now let's turn the page and let's see here presentation part. Presentation 1, you can see. So here, from Midas was a rich king. He lived in great palace to here. Okay, this is a paragraph. You can write here word meanings also. Now you can see word meanings also. You can write like this. Here after means explaining the story, like we have to ask question related with that. Here you can see question. I have added here 4 question. Do not add more than 5 question. 5 question is enough. Here is our answer that we expect from students. Okay, you can take screenshot if you need. Also you can see here word meanings, that is hard words. You can see here is our skills. Teacher shows chart, students observing chart, and for teaching aid we can write like chart. Okay, same process we have to repeat again. Presentation 2. So here, why was Midas not able to eat anything? What happened to Midas' daughter when she touched him? Okay, so here you can see this is expected answer that we expect from students, and here you can see our blackboard work. Okay, this is the overall look of our lesson plan. Now let's turn the page and let's see rest part of presentation 2. Word meaning, you can see here this is the rest part of presentation 2. Questions, you can see 3/4 question, and these are all the expected answer that we expect from students. Here is our word meanings. Here teacher shows chart, students observing chart, and for teaching aid chart. Here you can see recapitulation, 4 question I have added here. These are all the answer that we expect from students. You can see the overall look. Now let's turn the page, and this is the last page of our lesson plan, that is fill in the blanks. You can see 5 question I have added here. 5 fill in the blanks I have added here. You can see here. Right, here is a home assignment. So teacher gives home assignment on the rolling board. Okay, so this was my lesson plan on the topic Midas and the Golden Touch. If you like this video, please do not forget to like, share and subscribe my channel, and also please do not forget to check the description box for more English and other subjects related video. We will meet in next video. Till then, bye bye and take care.